Hey, back off!
Thank you so much.
Wait, I think you dropped this.
Oh my gosh. Thank you so much.
So guys, finally I had to listen to you. And I had to make a video in the viral niche. So guys, today everything is completely ready for you. The free AI tool is ready. The niche is ready. And today, I am going to show you exactly how you can create these videos, how you can generate Virum-Style videos, and that too without using any paid software, without any paid tools, using completely free AI tools. At the start, you already saw the video, and yes, this video was also generated using a free AI tool in Virum-Style. So guys, honestly, I worked really hard on this video, because this video took the most time compared to all my previous videos. And the main reason behind that is prompts. Because prompts are the main character of this entire process, and generating these prompts was very difficult. Now check this channel. This is the Virum channel. You already have an idea. Right now, this channel has around 1.89 million subscribers with only 333 videos. And if we talk about its earnings according to Social Blade, this channel is earning between $150,000 to $2.4 million monthly, which means even at the lowest level, it is making around $800K to $900K. Realistically, this is an A+ grade channel, meaning its ranking is extremely high. And if we talk about the videos, you can clearly see that their videos are based on kindness, emotional stories, helping people, and showing how people support each other in difficult situations. And if you look at the thumbnails, you will notice how they use red circles, arrows, and strong emotional expressions. And if we talk about views, many of their videos have millions of views. So without wasting time, let's start the video. First of all, I have prepared an all-in-one master prompt for you. Inside this master prompt, everything is included. Emotional, realistic, generated, core theme, emotional structure, video style, pacing, audio, subtitles, and also a story generator with 10 scenes. And I want to clearly tell you that these scenes are designed for a complete video, meaning each scene is a complete scene. Inside one scene, everything is included. Emotion is included. Action is included. Even the thank you moment is included. Everything is already designed. Color, lighting, important rules, output, requirements. Everything has been carefully built. A lot of effort has been put into this. You simply have to copy it. Nothing else. Just copy it. The link of the master prompt is in the description. Go to ChatGPT, paste it there, and as soon as you give it, ChatGPT will instantly generate a complete all-in-one master prompt for you. Inside that you will see scenes like, for example, scene 1 where a bag drops, or a wallet falls on the ground, then a car stops and someone helps her. This entire system is based on kindness, meaning how people help others in difficult situations. Now you can see these scenes are already generated in detail. From scene 1 to scene 10, everything is ready. And on top of that, we also have a consistent character, meaning we will use the same character across all scenes. Now, what you have to do is simply copy it. But before that, let me show you the tool we are going to use today. The tool name is Google Vids. I will also give its link in the description. You just have to open it, and you will see the option sign into Vids. This is completely free, and it allows you to generate around 10 to 12 videos. Just sign up using your Gmail, and as soon as you log in, your free trial will start. After that, you need to select the model version, like VO 3.1. You will see it there. Simply click it. Once you click, you will enter inside, and there you will see AI video clip, and the option Create from Scratch. Today, we are not animating images. We are generating text to video directly. Although if you want, you can also generate images using the image option. Just like you do in other tools, here also you can generate unlimited images. Now, as soon as you come here, you have to select portrait mode. Keep it in portrait. Then go to ChatGPT, copy the character prompt first, paste it here, then go back again. Copy scene 1 completely. Paste it here as well. After pasting, simply click Generate, and now your first video will start generating. It will take a little time, and then it will be ready. Then we will preview it, and let me tell you something important. Editing also plays a major role here. Yes, editing is very important. If your editing is strong, your cuts are good. Your scene flow is correct, then your video can go viral easily. I've analyzed many channels like this, and once they go viral, they do not come down. And these channels are monetizable. They are not demonetized because effort is clearly visible. Prompts are used, proper storytelling is used, Now, as you can see, the first video is ready.
Hey,
Preview
back
it.
off.
You already saw it at the start. How a thief runs, tries to snatch the girl's
you so
bag,
much.
and suddenly, another
off
man
it.
comes and returns the
Hey,
bag.
back off.
And she says, "Thank you," meaning in one single video, the entire
Thank you
scene
so
is
much.
completed. Now we will
Get off
create
it.
a longer video,
Hey,
around
back
40
off.
seconds or minimum under 1 minute. For shorts, you can keep it short.
Thank
For
you
longer
so much.
videos, you can also use
Get off it.
landscape mode. Now again,
Hey,
I
back
go to
off.
ChatGPT, copy the character prompt, paste it, then go back. Copy scene 2, paste it here, and click generate. Now the next video starts generating, and the best thing is this tool can generate around 14 to 15 videos easily. I have tested it already, and even now I am generating many videos. It can easily create 2 to 3 minutes of content. And if you want more, you can switch Gmail and get another free trial. Now the next video is also ready. Preview it. It looks amazing.
Hey, wait,
According
I
to
think you
this,
dropped this.
the second video also shows the same concept. The girl drops her
Oh my
wallet,
gosh.
the boy
Thank
picks
you
it up
so
and
much.
returns it, and she thanks him. Same character is used. Although sometimes you can slightly adjust character appearance,
Hey,
like
wait, I think
making
you dropped
skin
this.
tones slightly darker for variation. Again, I take the character prompt, paste it, go back to ChatGPT, copy the next scene, paste it, click generate. You can also use paid tools if you want better quality. I recommend tools like advanced AI video generators, but this video is focused on free tools, so you can do everything for free as well. Now, the next video is generated, showing how the girl drops her phone and someone returns it. Again, complete story, and this process is endless. You can keep generating scenes one by one. Again, repeat the process. Copy prompt, paste it, copy scene, paste it, generate. Now, the next video is also generating. In a few seconds, it will be ready. And now it is ready. Preview it. You
Hey,
can
leave
see
her
how
alone.
beautiful and powerful it looks. The girl interacts. The
Are you all
wallet
right?
is returned.
Yes, I'm okay.
And she even
Thank
gives
you.
money as thanks. Again, a complete scene. So guys,
Excuse me,
as you
I
can
think this
see,
is
all
yours.
scenes are being generated one by one. Now
Get off
please
it.
support this video, like and subscribe, because I always bring free tools and work hard. But sometimes the response is low, so your support really matters. Now all scenes are ready. Around 40 seconds of video is generated. Once your video is ready, around 1 minute total. Now you move to editing. You can use CapCut because it is simple and powerful. You can add text, subtitles, and then go to transitions. Select Dissolve, and apply transitions between clips one by one. Now your final video
Hey,
is
back
ready.
off.
Go to File, click Download, save as video, and your video will be ready. So guys, this is how we generated Virum-Style videos using prompts. So please like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments which viral niche you want next. See you next time.